Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, how to fix the subtitles on Rave app not working. So let's get started. So here I will just open my Rave app. Okay, so as you can see here, the Rave app. Okay, so here you can see Rave app. Okay, so if you are not showing like the subtitle, like for example I will just open this song. Okay, so if subtitles are not showing, just click on this three button. Just click on three buttons and then click on subtitles, click on here enable, and it will show. So by this way you can just fix your subtitles not working, and after it also not working, just update and it will work. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.